attractions. So $3 for each. So look at the scenery. Very scenic. The South African Garden. Ang ganda nito, oh. We're currently here at Paya Lebar and we're going to Bayfront. So that would be near the Gardens by the Bay. Para dun sa attraction ng Flower Dome. At saka isa pa, I forgot. We're walking na papunta sa Gardens by the Bay from MRT and here's the view. Nice, ha? Blue. Ganda, ang lamig dito sa lalakaran. So, it's already 1:13 at hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch. So, before kami magpunta dun sa mga attractions na papasyalan ngayon, ayan, Gardens by the Bay, keep left. Ayan, hahanap muna kami ng makakainan for lunch para energized maglakad-lakad. So, since yesterday, ang mga activities here, puro lakaran talaga. So, dapat kung pupunta kayo, anticipate nyo na and prepare yourself para dun sa cardio activities here. Right? Wow, we are here. So, mabilis lang din pala yung lalakaran. No? So, ito, merong shuttle service to Flower Dome and Cloud Forest. Dito rin. So, doon tayo pupunta ngayon sa Flower Dome at saka Cloud Forest. Ayan guys, kita na yung trees. Yung super tree over there. Oh, ganda. And napakainit na naman ngayon guys. Look here. May floral fantasy dito. The Gardens by the Bay. So, may mga attractions dito na bago for us na last time na pinuntahan namin to wala pang ganito. So check muna kami kung paano kumuha ng tickets. We just purchased our tickets for the two attractions, yung Flower Dome and the Monet Exhibition and Cloud Forest there. So we purchased each for 59 SG dollar for each, so that's 118 for two. And we also availed the Garden Cruiser shuttle service going to those attractions, so $3 for each, so that would be 6 in total there. See, we're currently waiting for the shuttle going to the Flower Dome. So meron siyang payment papunta doon for the shuttle. You have option to walk naman, kaya lang medyo malayo daw and mainit, sobra. So, we opt to take the shuttle na lang. And, yeah, $3. Two-way na siya, papunta at saka babalik.
Gardens by the Bay is a large futuristic garden complex located in the heart of Singapore. It is designed to blend nature with cutting-edge technology. Opened in 2012, it spans over 100 hectares of reclaimed land and showcases a wide variety of flora from different parts of the world and are organized into distinct themed gardens and conservatories.
We're going to take the flower dome first before we go to Cloud Forest. Here you go, for two. Thank you. There's a flower dome. It's cold here. Thank you, Lord. How is this open? Oh. Wow. So from the word itself, flower dome, you're expecting to see varieties of flowers here. Or parang mag-exhibit lang siya ng mga pictures. And now we're now entering the actual dome here. Oh wow, this is so huge. Kita nyo guys, tirik na tirik yung araw pero malamig dito sa loob. This is so good. Look. And of course, food and drinks are not allowed inside. Para siguro hindi rin makapag-attract ng mga pests. There. Ito yung mga nakita natin sa other vlogs, yung impressions of Monet. So nice. Look at the flowers.
Can't stop thinking about you, baby. You're the song that plays on repeat. In my dreams, you're my perfect melody. Without you, my heart's incomplete.
Here's the map of the flower dome. Cuba, bunga. Okay. So, flower field, we have the baobabs, succulent garden, Australian garden, South African, South American, Mediterranean, olive grove, and Californian garden. So it's like every garden in the world into one observatory. Ganda ng mga plants, guys. I'm a certified plantito pero hindi ako familiar sa mga gantong halaman. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Of course, kahit na popularly known na rin siya and hindi ganun career, lumalaban pa rin ang sunflower. Very beautiful. So ito pa rin yung sa part ng Australian garden. Ang bango! Ang bango na amoy mo?
Yes, it's a pine tree.
Oh, ang bango! Smells so good!
Is that real?
Ang bango dito, grabe! O, dali, say hi! I'm just wondering kung paano nila ma-maintain yung pag-bloom ng mga flowers dito or may mga times din talaga na plant lang siya. Kasi di ba, yung mga flowers, most of them are seasonal. Mukhang yucca pero hindi siya yucca. It is called dragon tree. Dracena draco. Ooh! Okay, parang ano ko na to. Na-encounter ko na to before dun sa mga kinukulit kong plants. Not sure if you... Mga Dracena, pamilya nga rin siya ng yucca. You're going upstairs. So what is this part? Sa part na to medyo warm na yung pakiramdam kasi kapag elevated ka, yung cold air mas denser, so nasa baba siya. So dun sa baba mas malamig, dito medyo mainit na. And ang ganda nito, sobra. Para siyang bonsai, pero malaking bonsai. So nice na na-maintain na ganito siya. Look ko. Ganda. Tapos wait, Meron pang owl dito. Wooden owl. Ganda. Ayun, meron ding iba't ibang klaseng mga ano ang tawag dito. Ancient trees pala itong tawag dyan. Ito, ang ganda. Alam ko yung pangalan nito, kaya lang nakalimutan ko na. Sa tagal ko na rin hindi masyadong na-expose sa mga halaman. Ilalagay ko na lang sa screen ko na yung name, yung uri ng plant na itong mga to.
A few moments later.
Ayun guys, naalala ko na. Begonia. Yun. Hindi ako mapakali na hindi ko siya maalala eh. Ayan. So, iba't ibang klase ng mga begonia. This one, oh, grabe yung trunk niya. Olive tree. This one is olive tree. At merong Winnie the Pooh. Right there. Ito po, ang taas nito. Kapag kaya sumobrang taas, paano kaya nila siya i-maintain para hindi niya ma-reach yung pinaka-top ng dome? Meron dito bata. Buti pinayagan siya dyan. Bawal kaya tapakan yung mga plants. Joke lang. There's a souvenir shop where you can buy your memorabilia. There. Ganda. May painting silang printed siguro to. Mga t-shirts, mga arts ni Claude. There. So nice. Oh, may mga playing cards also. It's nice. The Baobab Succulent Garden. Mga succulents. Did you know that cactus are also succulents? So, hindi sila masyado nagre-require ng maraming dilig kasi design sila to stock water for quite a long time. Kaya once in a while lang din sila didiligan. And also, mapasin yung puro mga pumice or pumice yung ginagamit nilang parang pang bed sa mga cactus. Kasi hindi dapat makapag-stock ng masyadong water. Otherwise, they'll die. Drowning. Wow, look! Please do not touch plants or cover them with gravel. Ganda ng mga cactus. Oh. Cacti. Cacti is the plural form of cactus. There. Medyo masakit na yung ulo namin. May hilo-hilo na rin. And we are on our way out. So from there, we're going downstairs. And this is the way out. Ayun. So, same din dun sa entrance. Meron din silang ganito. Nakalabas lang namin ng Cloud Forest. Cloud Forest nga ba yun? Pinasukan namin kanina. Hindi siya. So, hindi pa siya Flower Dome. Anyway, we'll just check muna what we can eat here. We are so... Kaya, parang mahal dyan. I just bought this chicken hot dog bun and also this snack, kiwi strawberry for $8. So there, just a quick snack. We're currently in the Shake Shack right now. Dapat later pa kami lunch kasi sobrang gutom na talaga, hindi na kaya. So, nag-order kami nitong veg out. So, we have this hibiscus drink and also this burger. And this is $17.40. Then, so, kain muna kami before kami mag-Cloud Forest Ground. Okay, papunta na kami sa Cloud Forest. Magkatabi lang sila ng Flower Dome. So, after nyong mag-Flower Dome o kung ano man unahin nyo, pwede kayong mag-quick snack dun sa Shake Shack. Yun lang yun nakita namin kainan dito. Sakit talaga na ulo namin kanina na. So, hindi na kaya. There.
This way. How many?
For two.
So the other side.
Other side.
Okay.
Thank you so much. We are in. Wow. Entrance pa lang guys, ang hangin. And parang umuulan. Wow. It's like an indoor waterfall. Look at that. So beautiful. Ang lamig. You can feel the humid, guys. Ayun yun. Ang dami sa mataas. So beautiful. Look at the landscape. Look at the fog. Sobrang buhay na buhay yung mga halaman dito. Grabe. Pinafeel mo rin yung pagkawet ng air na nasa himig. So nice. Oh, look at that! Ang ganda ng mga philodendrons. We have here begonias as well. So nice. Oh. Merong crackling rosy. My favorite plant. That's a crackling rosy, begonia. And meron ding pig skin right here and verrucosum. Philodendron. So nice. Ang ganda nitong gawing background, no? Like that. Diba? May iba't ibang klaseng begonia. Meron din yung I forgot na yung tawag dito. Brevia. That's Begonia brevia. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag yun. Merong mga white spots. Daming begonia. My favorite kong plants. Look at the fog. It's nice. Oh wow, there's a few. Nagpiprenup dun sa taas. Prenup sila. Wow. Congrats. Soon to be weds. Another type of philodendron. Grabe. Tapos bawal daw hawakan. Ang ganda. It's so nice. Kimmer shadow puppets. Muna tayo sa taas, ma'am. Ang dami nilang verrucosum dito. Ang mahal niyan dati. We're not sure kung verrucosum pa rin ba yan. Start your climb to Lost Worlds.
This is not that big.
Oo, hindi kumpara doon sa isang kanina.
And then, forest lang talaga siya.
Shit, nalulula ako. Oh, nakakalula. Grabe. Yung mga pa dun, anthurium. Kaya nga ganda nun, no? Yung isa doon. So nice. Medyo nakakalula dito, guys. Kaya medyo umaalog din siya. May fear of heights pa naman ako. Gano'n siya ka. Nilula ako. Ay, shit, nalulula ako. Nangangatog yung tuhod ko. Huwag na nakakapit ako, oh. Para kung bibitaw anytime. As expected, since napakataas namin ngayon, mainit dito sa part na to. Dahil nga yung cold air is much denser. Kaya nasa baba lang sila. Ito na naman siya, oh. I have that kind of plant.
This one pa.
Meron din yun sa bahay. Yep.
Pababa.
Grabe yung lula ko rito. Parang yung pantog ko nangangatog. Ngayon mo naiiyak ko na po. Grabe. Taas. Guys, I don't know if I'm enjoying this. Sobrang nalulula talaga ako, putik. Oh my God, sobrang ganda pero sobrang nakakalula. Nagpapanik attack ako. Okay, mataas pang tungkit ko.
Sana kaya nila climb yan.
So, ba muna tayo. Okay. Escalator muna kami. Sobrang nakakalula yun, grabe. Nangangatog ako. Waterfall view going here. Ganina sa entrance, kita siya. Ganun katagal. More than a lifetime ng tao. May mga bigonya dito nakasilip. Hi! Oh, here's the waterfall view. Yan, medyo malamig na rito sa part na. Ito yung parang deck. Brevia, oh. Ano po yung tawag? Makulata. That's begonia makulata. I have that before. Oh, sorry. Punta naman tayo sa tree top view, tree top walk. Papunta na naman tayo sa hangin. Medyo mas mababa na ito compared sa kanina. Grabe yung taas ko kanina. Saan tayo galing sa taas kanina? Grabe, nakakatakot. Ang taas nun.
Garden Rhapsody is a light and sound show held here at Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. It takes place at the Super Tree Grove, where towering super trees are illuminated with vibrant lights that are synchronized with music. Visitors can enjoy this mesmerizing experience outdoors, and the best part of it is that it's free. The show usually runs twice every evening, offering a unique and captivating way to experience the beauty of the super tree after dark. That's all for now, and I hope you enjoyed our stroll at Gardens by the Bay. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. On our next episode, will tour you around Marina Bay, so tune in only here at Low-Key Travel with your introvert traveler. Ta-ta!